Hey everybody, this is Dave with the Ghost Recon 642 channel. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Nvidia Shield Tablet. The Nvidia Shield Tablet's been out for quite some time. I've had mine for about 4 or 5 months now. And back in the end of July, Nvidia had a recall on tablets that were made from July of 2014 to July of 2015. There was an issue with batteries inside them that could overheat and posing a fire hazard, and there was a process you went through to check to see which battery you had in the tablet, and of course mine was one of those. I contacted them, filled out the paperwork online, and yesterday received my replacement tablet. Here are a few specs on the tablet. It's an Nvidia Tegra K1 192 core Kepler GPU 2.2 gigahertz, ARM Cortex A15 CPU with 2 gigabytes of RAM. It's an 8-inch screen, front-facing stereo speakers. This one here has a 16 gigabyte storage capacity with an SD card slot. I want to apologize for any banging you might hear in the background. We're having a roof replaced, and that's what the hammering is you're hearing in the background. One of the great things about the Nvidia Shield Tablet is basically made mostly for gaming, but you can do everything else on it, like you're checking your emails, Facebook, Twitter, anything you would do with a normal tablet you can do with this, but this is an exceptional gaming tablet with great stereo sound, being that it has front-facing speakers. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. And there's the tablet. And you can see it's got the speakers right there on both edges. Has the Shield logo on the back. And of course, charging cord, documentation, instructions, and we have the power brick. Another great feature of the Nvidia Shield Tablet, let's go ahead and unwrap this. Is that it has a stylus, which on my original one I really didn't use a whole lot, but it's a nice feature to have, especially if you're in a drawing or any artwork or anything like that. And it comes with a few specialized apps mainly for that stylus. So there you have it, folks, the Nvidia Shield Tablet. And of course this is the replacement for the recall they had. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.